Neil here at Toolstop TV. I'm at Draper with Mark. Now we've got this 5-in-1 petrol garden tool. It's brand new from Draper. It's got 5 different functions. It's a hedge trimmer, it's a chainsaw, it's a strimmer, it's a brush cutter, and it's also a blower. So we're going to unbox it, let you see what's in the box and show you how it all works. Right, so now that's assembled, it's taken us little more than 5 minutes to assemble it. So we've got the engine unit here, we've got the chainsaw extension, we've got the hedge trimmer, the blower, the brush cutter, and also the line trimmer. We also have this extension bar here which allows you to reach high areas if you want to work at height. So a couple of things about this. We have to set the mixture of the fuel in the engine. Can you tell us what some best practices in doing that, Mark?
Well, we've already got 40 to 1 mix. 40 to 1? 40 to 1,
yep.
Which is 40 parts petrol to 1 part oil. Basically, so for 5 litres of petrol you stick 125 millilitres of 2-stroke oil.
Okay.
So it should give it a pinkish reddish colour.
Right.
And always use good, clean, fresh fuel. Primer underneath. Prime it 10 times. You should get nice clear fuel with a pinkish reddish colour in the lines and in the bubble itself. That's your switch lock button at the top, trigger at the bottom. So press your lock button, pull trigger up, pop down your lock, switch back, and then she's ready to go. Close the choke valve, choke lever up.